Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Make sure you stretch before any workout and be safe. Don't continue if you feel you may hurt yourself. Today we're going to learn and go through a beginner's dumbbell workout that targets your entire body. We'll cover full body, upper body, and lower body moves you can do right at home. All you need is a pair of light to medium dumbbells and a little space to move. Okay, we'll start with a quick full body circuit that will get your blood flowing. Each move you can do for 40 seconds on, 20 seconds rest. Dumbbell squat to press, thrusters. Hold dumbbells at shoulder height. Squat down, then press the weights overhead as you stand tall. Keep your core tight and control your breathing. This move works your legs, shoulders, and core, a great full body burner. Dumbbell deadlift to row. Hinge at your hips, lower the dumbbells toward your shins, then pull them toward your chest in a rowing motion. Squeeze your back muscles at the top, then lower slowly. You should feel this in your hamstrings and upper back. Dumbbell reverse lunge with curl. Step one leg back into a lunge, and as you rise, curl the weights up. Alternate legs each rep. This combines lower body power with arm strength, perfect for beginners. Now we'll go over the upper body workout for those upper body muscles, arms, shoulders, and chest. Each exercise is 30 seconds with 10 seconds rest. Dumbbell shoulder press. Press the weight straight overhead, then slowly lower to shoulder level. Keep your back straight and avoid locking your elbows. Dumbbell bent over rows. Hinge forward slightly, keep your core tight, and pull the weights toward your rib cage. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. This strengthens your back and posture. Dumbbell chest press, on floor or bench. Lie on your back, elbows at 90 degrees, and push the weights up until arms are straight. Control the movement on the way down. You'll feel this in your chest and triceps. Dumbbell bicep curls. Keep your elbows close to your sides and curl the dumbbells slowly. No swinging. Keep it steady. Now let's finish with your lower body. Dumbbell goblet squat. Hold one dumbbell at your chest and squat low, pushing your hips back. Keep your knees tracking over your toes. This builds strength in your legs and glutes. Dumbbell Romanian deadlift. Slight bend in the knees, hinge at the hips, and lower the weights down your legs. Feel that stretch in your hamstrings, then squeeze your glutes as you return up. Dumbbell calf raises. Hold the weights by your sides, rise up onto your toes, and lower slowly. Control each rep and keep your core tight. All right, we have completed your beginner's dumbbell workout, full body, upper and lower. Don't forget to stretch your arms, legs, and back. Remember, consistency is key. Start light, focus on your form, and build up strength over time. If you enjoyed this workout, hit that like button, subscribe, and join me next time for another at-home fitness routine. Stay strong, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next one.